Hi everyone, Tina here with Tina's Inspired Art. Welcome to my channel today. I really appreciate you being here. We're going to be working on a 12 by 24 inch canvas today. I'll talk through my color palette for today right away. We're going to go in with a silver, a deep rich violet purple, a glacier light blue, and a lime green. So only 4 colors for today, but I think these color choices for my design that I have in mind is going to work out very nicely. So we're going to get going. I'll flood my canvas, put you on fast forward for this piece of it, and we'll come back and we'll talk through the design. Hey guys, welcome back. I went ahead and I covered my canvas, my sides, and popped my bubbles. We're going to get right into doing this. Start out with the silver. And after further looking at my color choices, I've decided to add in this lighter silver as well. So 2 different silvers. Start out with the darker silver first. Botanical looking. So if you can imagine, just a plant basically. Now with the deep violet. Deep violet is one that really shows up quite nicely. You really don't need a lot of it to make it shine. Now on top of that, I was going to do a little bit of this light. There. That's a little better. Now some of this glacier light blue. Too much of that, just the right amount. And then on top of that, this lime green. Yeah, that combination together just like this looks pretty cool. I think we're gonna start blowing down this way and working my way up through the canvas. Yes, on the colors for sure. And the blowout turned out pretty good. There's a couple of areas that I'll have to manipulate, but overall, I think this color scheme really works well together. I'll put a focal point kind of right in this area where everything can come down to. Start. Get that center going for us right there. her, but it's working out. It's definitely a style that you sometimes need to concentrate because the sometimes it gets a little challenging. This piece is really coming out lovely. All right, I'm almost to completion of this one, guys. I'm going to put you on fast forward to finish it up, and then we'll come back and I'll show you the final results of this. But so far, it definitely has the wow factor for me. Wow, guys, look at this one. I am so happy with her, the way she came out. I think she turned out amazing. The colors, ooh, they are so beautiful together. Super, super pretty. I'm going to fix that middle, but other than that, oh my goodness, I'm so pleased with her. Her design, everything about her, I love it. So thanks again for joining me here today. Really appreciate it. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe. I'll be posting more videos of my Botanical Dutch pours.